going to make seed tape today.
Seed tape is something you can buy at the store, but it's expensive. So we're gonna do a DIY version, which is a fun indoor activity to do with kids. The reason why people buy or make seed tape is to have seeds placed exactly as far apart as they need to be, and that way later on you have to do a lot less work thinning, because the idea is it just comes up where it needs to live for the long term. So we're gonna make it. And Nora, what supplies do we need?
We need toilet paper. If you're on short supplies, you can use newspaper or paper towels. Also, little seeds. We're going to today do lettuce.
Yeah.
You need a Sharpie, tweezers, kids glue, no chemical glue, no grown-up chemical glue. I think would be the best decision was school glue.
What if someone didn't have school glue?
If you don't have it, you can just make it with flour and water and some things like that.
Yeah, we thought we might
and
experiment.
then you need a ruler.
Measuring.
But you gotta have the type that comes down and it can just stay.
Yep, that's gonna be real helpful.
Because it's gonna be real helpful. If you just do this, it's gonna slide back up.
It's not gonna work out.
Not gonna work out.
Don't use those vintage
Don't
rulers you might have.
use them. So
Let's do it.
let's do it. Let's get it started. Next, which is right now, we're going to mark every 2 inches. One there, one there, one there. And you're just gonna keep on going until you get to the end.
So once your toilet paper is laid out and it's marked to the inches that you want, you can go through and put a spot of glue either right on the Sharpie dot, or if the Sharpie dot is right on the very edge, maybe a little bit just next to it.
Yeah.
But that's basically your guide. And in our first go around, the glue got kind of messy when Nora was doing it, so that's why we decided to swap. And I'm putting in the glue spot, but that just depends on your kiddo. All right.
You're just gonna pinch some in the hand that is bad at doing the tweezer picking. This is the hand that's pretty good, and this is the hand that's bad. I tested. And I'm just gonna put 1, 2, or 3 in it. Just a few, you know. And then you're gonna do it all the way till the last one. You really want more than one. You do. You want more than one.
Be sure to move your toilet paper seed tape off of the newspaper that you had, or else it will stick to the newspaper, which we just found out. So move it to the side, off the table, let the glue dry, let the seeds dry, and then you can roll it up.
Sign what it says right here. Lettuce. We're planting lettuce.
Put it right in there.
Put it right in there. I know everyone at least has one of these right now.
One of those. When you're ready to plant, you can just cut that whole thing just right in half, and then you have 2 long strips
like this.
with seeds on them, and then save it for decent weather day. Lettuce you can plant when it's still pretty chilly out, and so we'll probably plant that sometime this weekend. Happy planting.
Yay!